Hi everyone! I'm Leo the lion. Welcome to my jungle.
Come along and count today. Jump with Leo, shout hooray! Numbers dancing, fun for all. Let's count animals big and small. One little bunny, jump, jump, jump. Hopping so softly, bump, bump, bump. One little bunny, having fun. 1, 2.
Hop, hop, hop.
3 silly monkeys jump so high, swinging and laughing in the sky. 1, 2, 3, count along. 4 little ducks say quack, 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 splashing together and waddling back. 1, 2, 3, 5 playful puppies jump for fun, running around in the warm, bright sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 today.
6 tiny kittens roll and play, chasing their yarn all through the day. 1 to 6, count every trick, learning numbers super quick.
7 penguins dance all day, wiggle and hop in a funny way. 1 to 7, clap along, counting makes us big and strong. 8 bright birds fly up high, flapping their wings across the sky. 1 to 8, sing with
9 fluffy sheep jump to the sky, bouncing so softly way up high. 1, 2, 3, 4.
10 happy animals jump with Leo, counting together steals the show. 1 to 10, we did it, yay!
Great job counting, you did great. Learning numbers 1 to 8, 9 and 10, now you know. Come back soon to learn and grow.